Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Kids Me, and I am back again with another video. This video, I'm going to be showing you this unit from Unice Hair, and I'm also going to be showing you a new hot tool that I just received. Haven't did anything like this on my channel, so super excited to show you. I always just, of course, like to show you the unboxing of the video. Nothing has changed. It's a new year, still the same old the Kids Me. So this unit is going to be from Unice Hair. I do have a U-part kinky straight wig. This wig is in 24 inches, and as you can see, the unit is constructed with the standard elastic band around the unit, the combs in the back, and then the clip-in pieces around the V area. With these, you don't really have to leave a lot of leave out, so I'm gonna show you exactly how I go ahead and install this unit. Super easy, super quick. Y'all know I'm a part of Struggle Ready University, so I have to put my hair back into a ponytail because, yeah, no, we're definitely not going to be braiding with these nails on. Like, it's just not gonna happen. So I'm just showing you how the clips open up and how easily you can install these clips. I get a lot of questions about, do I sleep in my wigs? Do I take them off? I mean, it's really just up to you. That's what I love so much about these units. Completely glueless. You don't have to worry about sewing anything down or gluing anything down. You can literally just pop it on and off easily every single night and every single morning if that's what you would like to do. I do sleep in them because to me it doesn't, I really don't have a reason to take it off. I can sleep comfortably with them, but it's really just up to you and your preference. And so you'll see me go ahead and put the clips down, and then after that I'll go in with the combs around the perimeter area. Love the fact that this unit is giving me all the fullness that I love. I love for my units to be completely full, just like this. And to me, with the kinky straight, it mimics like that natural straight hair, like blown out. I'm gonna go ahead and as you can see, easy peasy to install this unit. Really quick, really simple. We're gonna get started into the styling portion of this video. I am going to be doing something completely different to what I've never done before. I'm gonna be using a crimp iron that I just got from, I think I got this from Target, Walmart, one of the two. I'll link it down in my Amazon store so y'all can get your hands on it. I'm going to be using a crimp iron to go ahead and add some waves inside of this unit. And I'll show you exactly what I do. I'm not going to talk too much, so y'all enjoy the rest of this music. And then I'll come to you towards the end of the video with the finished look.
She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. You should slide on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love, know it's all love.
slip on the drip. Don't slip on the drill. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, yeah, blowing up. C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the drill. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots. I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose.
All right, so as you can see, this is going to be the finished look. Absolutely love the body and the luster of this hair. The thickness, y'all. Like, I love thick hair. You got to give me some type of volume, some type of something. I don't like flat hair. And this definitely did it. As you can see, Unice hair curled flawlessly. One thing I do just want to point out is that I probably use a little bit too much hairspray. So just be careful with the hairspray. But other than that, love the unit. Didn't have any bad smell, no shedding, none of that. So yeah, y'all definitely click the link down below to get your hands on one of these units. Thank you so much for tuning to this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.